Here I've got Spiphone A10 Pro, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select display. It's just under device, and go to the wallpaper. And now you should select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. It can be gallery, live wallpaper or wallpapers. I will pick the third one, wallpapers. And now you can come along with all the system wallpapers, also the live ones. But in my case, it will be this one, and then click on Set Wallpaper. And that would be all. As you can see, from now on, your home screen is covered with brand new wallpaper. So that would be all. This is how you can quickly and easily change wallpaper on your device in your Spiphone A10 Pro. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.